Okay, the next project we got is to put some these daytime running lights. It's some Amazon brand in the grill here. So it's pretty, hopefully a pretty simple install. Just a wiring harness and lights. So we got to get the grill off and get them on. So stick around. All right, we're kind of winging this, but I'm pretty sure the first step is to get these little plastic tabs off so we can get this grill off. Because we are degenerates and don't have the right tool, we're using a flathead screwdriver very easily on these tabs to get them popped off. All right, we got all these tabs off. There are only 4 of them, and now I think the grill should pop right off with a little bit of force. All right, we learned something here. All right, luckily we didn't break anything, but if you look inside of here, there is a 10 millimeter there, a 10 millimeter in there, in here, and I'm sure there's one here. So we're gonna need to take this piece off right here to get the grill fully off. Okay, we got the grill off, and we were right. You had to use take those 10 millimeter bolts out across the top of the grill. So now we have to take off these 6 bolts right here to remove this inside panel so we can mount the lights appropriately at the top of the grill. So now that Tiff got the back piece of plastic off, we're gonna install the lights. And with the 5 lights provided, you can evenly space them across with 2 in between. So I'm pretty sure they just snap right in. Easy day. So now that we got these in, we got the wires sticking out. What we're trying to do is figure out the way we want to get it all connected and tucked in nice and neatly so you don't really see the wires from the front. So Tiff and I are having a hard time figuring out how to get all the wires hidden because we don't want to see it as you're looking at the grill because this is going to look terrible. So what we are thinking is if we take off this sheathing of this wire so it's not all bundled up, maybe we can run stuff around the grill so it doesn't have to be all bunched up. And that didn't do anything. So we have a dummy moment. So back to the drawing board. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to work. So what we did was we put this plastic piece on, we're holding it in and kind of putting these out of the top. We might try it out of the bottom, but maybe doing either out of the top or the bottom, we can just hide the wires back here. Maybe one of these solutions will work. All right, we're going to try to install this. This is a lot of wires back here, so we'll see if this works. All right, that was it. It kind of worked. Everything went together pretty easily. Just put the grill back together in reverse order. The hardest part was just trying to figure out where to get the wires hidden, so now you can't see them through the front of the grill. This is temporary. I got to figure out how to wire these up to the daylight run lights now. So it's getting dark on me, but I did get it all wired up. I hooked it to fuse 22, which is the 360 camera. I don't have 360 camera, so it was easy to do. Pretty easy install altogether. Tiff's happy with them. I'm okay with them. We'll see if they stay on, but for now, they're all wired up and ready to go. So a lot of you guys are not subscribed, so if you like this, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.